This is a photo of Market Street in Vale, from the bottom of the town where the multi-storey car park is today. On the left we can see a big sign saying Bricks, which was a shoe shop, and a few shops down is Harrison's General Store, which is still open today. These shops at this time served the people of Vale who worked in the collieries and ironworks with all the things they needed. 3 of these workers can be seen right outside the door of Harrison's. On the right-hand side of the photo, beside the old billboards, is the Vale High Level Railway, which ran straight through the middle of the town. You don't see that these days. So as you can see, a lot has changed in Vale. If I was standing over that way a bit, 80 years ago, I'd probably get run over by a train.